Bonjour et bienvenue dans ma classe Learn French with Neha. Aujourd'hui, j'ai décidé de faire les articles contractés. Alors, allons-y. Hello and good morning and welcome to my class Learn French with Neha. Today, we are going to learn les articles contractés. So, let's go. We learn les articles contractés with the preposition a. A we can use in place of to, at, and in. For masculine singular, we will use O. O is composed of a plus l. And for feminine singular, we use ala. And for plural, either the word would be feminine or masculine, we use O. O is composed of a plus le. And for vowel and h mute, we use a l apostrophe. If there is a vowel or h mute, then we will be using a l. While making the sentence, we can use o, ala, o, al, l apostrophe in place of to the, at the, or in the. We will explain it to you by using the examples in the following slides. So let's see. For the preposition the, we can use the in place of, from, and about. For masculine singular, we use due. Due is formed by the plus l. And for feminine singular, we use the la. And for the plural form, we use they. They is composed of the plus le. And for the vowel or the h mute, we use the l apostrophe. While making the sentence, we can use due, the la, they, and the l apostrophe in place of the, from the, and about the. I'll explain it to you by the example in the following slide. For example, for the preposition here are some examples. Je vais à l'hôtel. I am going to the hotel. Hotel, it's a H mute case, so we will be using a L apostrophe. Je jouais aux échecs. Échec means chess, and it's a plural form, so we will be using O. I play chess. Tu vas au restaurant. You will be going to the restaurant. So restaurant, it's a masculine singular, so we will be using O. You will be going to the restaurant. Il va à la piscine. He will be going to the swimming pool. So piscine, it's a feminine case, so we will be using ala. And for the preposition the, for example, c'est le livre du professeur. Professor, it's a masculine case, so we will be using du. It's the book of the professor. La pantalon des enfants sont grands. So the trousers of the children are big. So in this enfant, it's a plural case, so we will be using they. La robe de la fille est rouge. The dress of the girl is red. So fille, it's a feminine case, so we will be using the la. C'est le stylo de l'étudiant. It's the pen of the student. Étudiant, it's a vowel case, so we will be using the L apostrophe. There are three golden rules. If we are making the sentence for any type of sport by using the verb fair, so we will be using the preposition the. And if we are making the sentence for any type of sport by using the verb jouer, so for jouer we will be using a, and for fair we will be using the. And for the musical instrument with jouer, we will be using the preposition the. Jouer means to play and faire means to do something. For example, je fais du badminton. In this fais, it's a present form of fair. So, and badminton, it's a kind of sport. So, we will be using the verb, the preposition the. And badminton, it's a masculine singular, so we will be using du. Je fais de la natation. Natation, it is ending with ion, so it's a feminine word. So we will be using de la. With the verb faire and the sport, we will be using preposition the. Je jouais au badminton. In this, we are using the verb jouer. So for the verb jouer and with the sport, we will be using au. It's a masculine singular form. Je jouais de la guitare. Guitar, it's a musical instrument. So with the verb jouer, we will be using preposition the. And guitar, it's a feminine form. So we will be using the la. If you like my video, please do share, subscribe and like it. And if you have any query regarding the video, then please drop the message in the comment box. Merci, thank you, abhiyanto, see you soon, goodbye.